Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been thinking about upgrading your ZIIP, or you're curious whether the new ZIIP 2.0 is actually that different from the original, I've been putting it to the test. I really wanted to be able to share my thoughts with you and the tips for getting the best results with it with you. And this isn't just a packaging refresh, it's been completely re-engineered. It still uses currents that work on a cellular level, but it's way more powerful and accurate than the original one. And yes, I do have a discount code for you. I'll put it on the screen and I'll also pop it in the description. But first, let's take a look and talk about the difference between the original ZIIP and the 2.0. And if you're new to ZIIP, it uses electrical currents that work at a cellular level. That's why I've always really liked it, because it works on pretty much all of my skin concerns, not just anti-aging. And I'll use it for things like breakouts, sunspots, lifting, lymphatic drainage, congestion, sculpting. It's really one of the few devices that works on multiple concerns, from acne to anti-aging, instead of just one thing. So let's actually unbox it. It's been completely re-engineered for superior results, and they listened to feedback and made it a lot more durable too. Oh, on the box you'll notice it doesn't say 2.0, but if that's what you order, that's what you're going to be getting. And then inside you have the new ZIIP Halo and 3 mini conductive gels, and I will get to that. And then underneath this, you have a travel case, which you didn't used to get, which is really nice. You have an instruction manual, and then you also have your USB charging cable. But let's get back to the redesigned ZIIP 2.0. So when I first took it out of the box, I was like, oh, it looks the same as the original ZIIP Halo, but it is actually completely re-engineered from the circuit board to the actual design. It's now one solid piece. Now, one of the first things I did notice that was different is the port has a plug-in cover now to prevent gel interference, because with the old one, your conductive gel could get into there. Now it's got the cover to protect it. So you leave the cover shut when you're using the device, when you're cleaning the device, and then when you charge it, all you do is pull it back and then plug it in. So dead easy. So what actually changed in the technology? The ZIIP 2.0, also called the ZIIP Halo 2.0, has been re-engineered to deliver waveforms as 63% more accurate than the original device. This means it delivers visibly stronger toning and lifting, and more importantly, clinically proven results. That means precision-controlled waveforms for consistent performance. Improved current output means amplified stimulation for deeper cellular level results. And amplified stimulation means deeper cellular level results are both instant and long-lasting. And you genuinely feel that difference. The stimulation feels stronger but controlled. It's basically like when you upgrade your iPhone. Same concept, but better technology. It also comes with, like I said, this proper travel bag and 3 mini conductive gels. You get the crystal gel, the golden gel, and the silver gel, and each one has different benefits. I personally really like to mix the golden gel and the crystal gel because I want both the anti-aging and the glow in the same treatment. So definitely play around with these to find your favorite, because these aren't just conductive gels. They are really packed with active ingredients designed to maximize the current of your ZIIP and really push the skincare benefits deeper into your skin. Now, this is the part most people skip over, but it's actually really important, so bear with me. The new ZIIP 2.0 adjusts the waveform by varying polarity, positive versus negative, waveform shape, sine, square, and direct, and intensity, both the strength and the timing. And each ZIIP treatment in the app is designed using a specific combination of those factors based on both science and clinical testing, and that's what supports your different skin needs. Okay, now I've talked about all the technology and the upgrades, let me show you how to use it and the ZIIP app. The first thing you're going to want to do is download the ZIIP app, and there is a QR code that comes in the box to make it dead easy to do that. I'll talk more about the app in a minute. Then you're going to want to decide which ZIIP gel you want to use. You have the silver, golden, and crystal. They all have different skincare benefits, so you can really find the right one for you. And then your ZIIP Halo is really going to push the skincare benefits of those gels into the skin, so you get even more benefits from them. I like to mix both the golden and the crystal gel, so I get both the anti-aging and the glowy skin benefits. And keep these smaller bottles when they run out when you buy the bigger sizes, because you can decant them, and these are perfect for traveling. And be really generous with your gel application. I tend to use about 8 pumps to give myself a really good coverage of them. So that was the golden. I'm going to do the crystal now. If you have any redness when you're using this, it probably means you haven't got enough gel on, and you really want to get this absolutely everywhere, all the way up to the hairline, all the way over your eyes, because I am going to treat under my eyes and the eyelids as well. So I'm getting that everywhere, behind my ears, down my neck, because when you're doing the lymph drainage, especially the lymphatic drainage, you end up going behind the ear to those big lymph glands back there and even into the ears. I like to wear a headband so I don't end up with the gel all in my hair. And then when you're ready to get started, you're just going to open your ZIIP app and choose the treatment you want to do. There are tons of treatments in here. You have blemish treatments, you have sculpting and lifting treatments, you have lymphatic drainage. There is so much going on in this app. My go-to is the 6-minute sculpting treatment because it's the strongest treatment in the app and it works so quickly. If you want a really quick tightening lifting treatment, that one is amazing. I'll actually put my before and after here of just treating one side of my face so you can see the difference it makes instantly. And then today I'm going to do the little spot treatment because I have a pimple that broke out there. So to sync, all you have to do is choose the treatment you want. I'm going to go in with that 6-minute treatment, which is called the Sculpt. And then you'll see start treatment. When you do that, you'll press the button on here, it will flash. And then when it syncs, it will beep 3 times, you know it's synced with the treatment. So you really want to take care when you're using this to avoid your thyroid area. Pretty much anywhere else is free game besides right under your eyes. And then I would definitely watch Melanie do the treatment a few times, follow along in the app with her, especially for things like the blemish treatment where it does matter which end of the device you are treating the blemish with. And then you don't even need the app open. You can close it and the treatment will stay synced to your device. So if you want to turn the app off, turn her off, play your music, get on with your day, you can totally do that. And the sculpting one, you're really going to try and concentrate on where you want the sculpting, lifting and toning. So for most of us, especially as we get older, it's going to be, you can even hold it under your chin there for a while, it's going to be really trying to tighten up the neck and jawline. And then also if you want to get some cheekbones carved out, I love a good cheekbone, so you can turn it that way, you can hold it this way and get right under the cheekbone. I'm using a decent amount of pressure for this. And then I'm going to come up to the eyes, give that, especially my hooded eyelids, try and pick those up. You don't want to go onto the lower lid, but you can treat that upper eyelid. And one of the things I appreciate about this is how quick and easy it is to do. You can do the 4-minute automatic treatment you get just by turning it on, or you can do something like this, which is still only 6 minutes. There was a beat, change sides. And then if you do have the extra time, you can always stack treatments. You could do something like this, followed by the collagen treatment or the pimple treatment or the skin tone. There's just so many different ways to play around with this, depending on how much time you have. You can really make it fit into your routine. And also play around with it, see what you like. I like doing both ways. I'll do a couple of times with it this way, so I'm kind of hooking under the jawline, and then I'll also turn it this way to get under the jawline that way. And the same like I did before on the other side, under the cheekbones, going that way. You do always want to keep both globes in contact with the skin, and then you can also turn it that way as well. And then this is obviously going to give you more of that kind of cat eye, and then this is going to give you more of that lifted brow. So it's really cool how you can play around with this to work with your face shape, the desired results you want to have personally. So what I found really cool about the ZIIP is the immediate and the cumulative effects. So immediately you can see everything looks lifted, it looks brighter, it looks more sculpted and toned. I have more of a jawline, I have more cheekbone definition. And then because I followed it with that collagen treatment, that's where I'm seeing the cumulative effects. So when I started this 2 years ago, I almost feel like I look better 2 years later than I did then, just because it's helped with everything from the lifting and sculpting to the skin tone. So if you're someone who wants a lifting and sculpting, collagen support, acne improvement, improvement in your skin tone, and to be able to treat multiple concerns in one device, this is a really strong option. So is it worth upgrading? The original is still amazing. So if you already have that, I'm not saying rush out and get the 2.0, but think of it more like an iPhone upgrade. The technology improves, the precision improves, and when you're ready to move to the next generation, this is definitely a step up. So to summarize, there's really 4 key takeaways with what's new. It's been re-engineered for superior results. It has clinically proven results. There are 17 unique treatments via the app for a custom skincare routine. and it delivers improved waveforms with more accurate cellular stimulation. Now, I have tried so many different beauty devices over the years, and overall, this is one of the most advanced at-home electrical cellular treatment devices available right now. Oh, that was a mouthful. So if you've been considering investing in a device that can address multiple skin concerns, lifting, acne, tone, texture, this is definitely worth looking at. And if you do decide to try, I have that discount code. I'll leave it on the screen and in the description below. And if you already own a ZIIP, let me know in the comments whether you're thinking of upgrading or sticking with your original. I'm curious to find out. And if you do have any questions, drop those in the comments too so I can answer those for you. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest beauty and fashion reviews.